Whoa! Mom!
Ah! Oh no! Ouch! Yep, that's me, sitting in the dirt with a newly broken arm. But to understand how this perfectly normal Tuesday morning turned into a medical emergency, we need to rewind a bit. Okay, Jake, you've got this, buddy. Just reach for the next bar, nice and easy.
Mom, these bars feel like really far apart.
Haha, you're doing great. Don't worry, I'm right underneath you if you slip, okay?
Be careful, Jake! The metal is super slippery from the morning dew!
Whoa, Mom!
Ah! Oh no! Ouch!
Mom, are you okay?
Ooh, I don't think so, sweetie. That was a lot of weight on my wrist all at once.
Mom, you look really sick, like green. Are you going to faint?
No, it's just an intense pain. Ugh, it feels like an actual lightning bolt in my arm right now.
It's my fault. I shouldn't have slipped.
Oh no, sweetie. Hey, look at me. It was just an accident. Come on, let's go home.
Hey, how's the park? Whoa, Lisa, what happened? Honey, you look like you're in a lot of pain. Talk to me.
Jake fell, and, well, I caught him. Just look at my arm, Mark.
Oh, wow. Yikes, it is already so swollen.
Look, Dad, it's turning purple and blue like a galaxy.
It looks really distorted. Can you rotate your wrist at all?
Oh, no. It feels so stiff and throbbing. Honestly, it's getting worse by the minute.
Okay. June, go get the gel ice pack from the freezer. Jake, grab a towel, quick.
I've got it. Here, Mom, wrap it in this.
There we go. We have to apply this right away to stop the inflammation.
Brr, the cold feels numbing, but the bone underneath is really aching.
If it were just a sprain, the ice would help more. This looks serious, Liz.
Dad, do we have to go to the big hospital?
Not the hospital, buddy, but definitely urgent care. We need an x-ray to be safe. Sit back, relax. I'll try to drive super slowly so we don't hit any nasty bumps.
Every little vibration feels completely agonizing.
Is Mom going to need surgery?
Let's hope not, Junie. Usually, for a small crack, they just use a cool cast.
I'm so sorry, Mom.
Oh, don't be sad, Jake. Really, we just have to be a bit more cautious next time, okay? Wait, if you need to master English for daily conversations exactly like this one, grab our ebook. It has 25 easy English stories with grammar spotlights, practical quizzes, and speaking prompts to help you learn faster. Link in the description. Now, let's see what the doctor says about my arm.
Lisa Whitmore? Hi there. Please follow me to room 4. All right, let's check your blood pressure first. You seem pretty anxious, hon.
I am, a little. I've literally never broken a bone before in my life.
Aw, the doctor will be in soon. Just take a deep breath. You're in great hands.
Hello, Lisa. I hear you had quite a little mishap at the park today. Let's take a look. Does it hurt right here?
Yes, it's very tender right there.
Well, the swelling is quite pronounced. I'm going to order some x-rays so we can see inside.
Doc, what exactly are you looking for?
I want to see if there's a displacement or a fracture hiding under there. Okay, look right at the radius bone here.
Whoa, is that Mom's actual bone? It looks like a spooky ghost.
Haha, it does. Now, see this tiny little line? It's a hairline fracture.
It literally looks like a piece of hair. Is that why it's called that?
Exactly right. It's a very thin crack. But the good news is the bone stayed perfectly in place. That is very fortunate.
Whew. So, no surgery then?
No surgery, but we must immobilize the wrist completely so it can heal up properly.
Oh, thank goodness. How long will that take?
Usually about 6 weeks. We'll apply a nice sturdy splint for you today.
All right, I'm going to wrap this snugly. You just tell me if it feels way too tight, okay?
Whew. Honestly, I feel so much relieved now.
Yay! I'm so happy you're okay, Mom.
All right, hero. Let's go home and order a massive pizza for dinner. It's been a very eventful day.
Ooh, Mom, can we sign your splint when we get home?
Yes, absolutely. But make sure we use the permanent markers.
Oh yeah! I'm drawing a big giant heart on it.
Aw, that would be absolutely wonderful, Jake.
All right, class is officially in session. Let's see exactly how well you did on today's brand new vocabulary. We will start with our adjectives, which are our describing words. Swollen. This means a part of your body gets bigger and puffy because you got hurt. Slippery. This describes a surface that is smooth or wet, where it is very easy to fall down. Tender. This means that an area is super painful to touch, so you have to be very gentle. Pale. This means someone's face loses all its color because they are in pain or very scared. Great job! Now let's look at our verbs, which are our awesome action words. Examine. This means a doctor looks at you very closely to find out what is wrong. Order. This is when a doctor tells the hospital staff exactly what test or medicine you need. Fracture. This is the official medical word for a crack or a break in a bone. Immobilize. This means to keep a part of your body from moving at all so that it can heal properly.
Finally, we have our adverbs. These tell us exactly how we did something. Immediately. This means we did something right away without waiting, just like rushing to the clinic. Slowly. This means we did not go fast at all, so we didn't hurt Mom's arm. Snugly. This means the bandage was wrapped tight and cozy, but not too tight. Faintly. This means Mom was only smiling a little bit because she was still in some pain.
All right, now it's your turn. Answer this in the comments below. Have you ever had a hairline fracture? We want to hear your story.
Or tell us, what is the absolute most slippery thing you have ever touched?
Keep practicing your English, be super kind to everyone, and we'll see you in the very next adventure.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.